Imagine waking up one day and your destiny is already written. And it's on the way to unimaginable wealth. Vanga, the blind mystic who gave predictions that shocked the world, has seen many events, some terrifying and some very powerful. But what if he also predicted who will be rich in the next 5 years? If you belong to one of these 5 zodiac signs, maybe the universe is aligning with your destiny. Are you one of the chosen ones? Stay tuned as we reveal Vanga's predictions about the luckiest and richest zodiac signs of the future. Vanga, the legendary blind mystic from Bulgaria, has long left the world in awe with his accurate predictions from the division of the world to global crises. Many of his visions have come true. But apart from disasters and major events, he also saw something extraordinary: the rise of immense wealth for a select few. Astrology has always been a popular subject for people, and now Vanga's views align with 5 specific zodiac signs. Are you set to experience financial success within the next 5 years? Does your zodiac sign belong to this group? Is your destiny headed towards wealth and prosperity? In this video, we will discuss how Vanga's vision is connected to astrology and luck, and we will reveal the 5 luckiest zodiac signs that can make a big difference in their finances. Don't give up, because your zodiac sign may hold the key to a prosperous future in a few decades. Vanga's predictions have given the world a mystery. Many believe that she has the ability to see the future not only for countries but also for individuals. One of her lesser-known predictions is the rise of wealth for some people, especially those born under the 5 powerful zodiac signs. According to astrologers, the alignment of the planets and the energy of the cosmos play a significant role in shaping our success. Although hard work and determination are important, there are those who believe that luck, destiny, and the right cosmic timing can open doors that seem impossible for others to reach. From 225 to 2-3, the stars will favor 5 specific zodiac signs that will bring them financial prosperity, unexpected opportunities, and powerful growth in their career. Whether through business success, smart investments, or sudden wealth, these zodiac signs will experience a transformation that will change their lives. Is your zodiac sign among the lucky ones? Let's explore Vanga's vision and find out the 5 most changeable zodiac signs that are set to become rich in the next 5 years. The 5 luckiest zodiac signs for wealth. 1. Leo is a born leader. If there is one zodiac sign that naturally dominates the spotlight, it is Leo. Leave a mark on the world. According to Vanga's vision, Leos will be among the wealthiest individuals between 2-5 and 2-3. But what exactly sets them apart? Leo's path to wealth. Leo is ruled by the sun, the center of the universe, so it is no wonder that they are attracted to the pay power and prosperity. Unlike other zodiac signs, Leo does not wait for an opportunity. They create it themselves. Because of their self-confidence and natural charisma, they can easily take vacations, which opens the way to great financial success. In the coming years, Leos will experience major career advancements, business expansion, and unexpected opportunities. Leos will shine more than ever. The role of luck and fortune. According to Vanga's prediction, astrological shifts bring extraordinary luck to Leo within 2.5 Hg. 2.3 Jupiter, the planet of growth and wealth, will move into positions that will bring prosperity to Leo. This will provide expansion in wealth, investment, and higher recognition. If you are a Leo, this is the best time to try big projects, build a business, and take advantage of every opportunity that comes your way. Famous rich Leos. If you are still in doubt, here are some of the richest and most powerful Leos in the world. Barack Obama, former president of Leah. Kylie Jenner, youngest self-made billionaire. Jennifer Lopez, global music and business icon. Elon Musk, tech billionaire. There is proof this is that the confidence, determination, and natural leadership of Leo often lead to unimaginable wealth. How Leo will strengthen their financial future. Be bold in taking risks. Don't be afraid of leadership or trying new businesses. Use charisma, expand connections to generate more opportunities. Invest wisely. 2025-2003 is the best time for financial investments. Embrace creativity. The entertainment and tech industry will be a big bringer of wealth to Leos. If you are a Leo, according to Vanga, you are on the verge of a financial revolution. Your hard work, natural leadership, and cosmic luck will lead you to the wealth you dream of. Leo is therefore the richest zodiac sign in the next 5 years. Know that the other lucky ones on the list are 2. Taurus, the financially grounded visionary. When it comes to wealth and financial stability, Taurus is one of the best zodiac signs, known for their practicality. Patient and determined Taurans have a natural attraction to luxury, success, and long-term wealth. According to Vanga's prediction, the next 5 years will be very beneficial for Taurus, which will bring them financial unhindered breakthroughs, booming investments, and tremendous career growth. Why is Taurus destined for wealth? Taurus is ruled by Venus, the planet of money, luxury, and material prosperity. Because of this, they have a unique passion for financial security and wealth building. They are not like others who just gamble. Taurus is an expert in smart planning and building a foundation that will last a lifetime. From 2-5 H2 3. Taurus will experience a cosmic shift that will open the door to their enrichment through real estate, stock investments, business expansion, or high-paying opportunities. Wealth will flow to Taurus more than ever. Vanga's prediction and astrology influence in the next 5 years. Jupiter and Saturn will favor Taurus, bringing unprecedented financial growth. Jupiter, the planet of expansion, will increase Taurus' ability to attract money, while Saturn will ensure long-term accumulation of wealth instead of short-term luck. If you are a Taurus, expect sudden promotions, successful investments, and financial surprises that will set CEO of decades of success. Famous wealthy Tauruses. Many of the most successful billionaire businessmen and celebrities are Taurus. Some of them are Mark Zuckerberg, founder of Facebook, tech billionaire Adele, multi-award-winning singer with a huge fortune, David Beckham, football legend and business mogul, Gigi Hadid, supermodel and successful entrepreneur. This is proof that the hard work and smart planning of Taurus is a perfect reap for wealth. How Taurus can strengthen their financial future. More invest in long-term wealth. Real estate, luxury markets, and stocks are perfect for Taurus. Gamble with caution. Although they love stability, the next 5 years encourage Taurus to make smart decisions. Monetize talent. Map pan neo arts or sports. Taurus can turn their passion into money. Be persistent. Taurus's natural determination will be the key to their success. If you are a Taurus, according to Baba Vanga's vision, this is your time of financial rise. The next 5 years are full of opportunities, and if you use it right, you can become one of the richest individuals of your generation. Is Taurus the latest builder of wealth in the zodiac? Watch out for the next powerful sign on Baba Vanga's list. Scorpio, the master of hidden wealth. Mysterious, strategic, and determined. Scorpio is a zodiac sign that does not just chase wealth, they control it themselves from the shadows. Unlike other zodiac signs that openly show their success, Scorpios secretly build their empire and suddenly amaze the world with their achievements. According to Baba Vanga's prediction, the next 5 years, 2025 signs -2. 3 will open a new level of wealth, power, and influence for Scorpios. But what sets Scorpio apart from other lucky ones in the zodiac is their unparalleled ability to change, adapting to the situation, and seizing hidden opportunities. Why is Scorpio destined for wealth? Scorpio is ruled by Pluto, the planet of power, change, and hidden wealth. Because of this, Scorpios are experts in fin strategy. They often succeed in fields where others fail. Unlike other signs that rely on luck or charisma, Scorpio uses their deep intuition, intelligence, and determination to create wealth in unexpected ways. Between 2.5 and 2.3, the movement of the planets will strengthen Scorpio financial magnetism in the field of investment, business, or big steps in career. Scorpio will experience a long-awaited financial breakthrough. According to Baba Vanga's prediction and astrological influence, according to astrologers, the movement of Pluto and Jupiter in the next 5 years will bring extreme wealth to Scorpio. This means sudden entry of money, either from hidden investments, inheritance, or unexpected income opportunities in the cryptocurrency and tech industry. Scorpio is naturally good at high-risk, high-reward business, deep connections with powerful people. This will bring rapid financial rise. If you are a Scorpio, the universe is aligned to push you towards financial dominance, but it will require smart strategy, patience, and bold decisions. Famous rich Scorpios. Many of the most powerful and successful billionaires and businessmen in the world are Scorpios, including Bill Gates, Microsoft co-founder and billionaire philanthropist; Leonardo DiCaprio, Hollywood legend; and successful investor Kris Jenner, business master Min behind of the Kardashian empire; Drake, global music icon and entrepreneur. This is proof that Scorpios don't just follow trends, they create them themselves. Their ability to plan, reinvent, and invest in the right opportunities makes them unstoppable in the world of wealth. How can Scorpios strengthen their financial future? Invest in hidden opportunities. Cryptocurrency, DAI, and real estate are perfect for Scorpio. Trust intuition. Scorpio rarely makes mistakes when it comes to business and money. Be patient. The next 5 years will bring big rewards, but only for those who are willing to wait. Expand influence. Scorpio is growing in power, so focus on building authority in your field. What awaits Scorpio? If you are a Scorpio, according to Baba Vanga's vision, you are entering a revolutionary era of wealth and success, whether through investments, business, or secret financial moves. The next 5 years could make you one of the richest people around you. Scorpio, so the true luckiest zodiac sign when it comes to wealth. Watch out for the next sign on Baba Vanga's list, Capricorn, the silent wealth builder. If there is one zodiac sign that born to be successful, this is Capricorn. Known for their discipline, ambition, and extreme hard work, they don't just dream of wealth, they build it with strategy and perseverance. Unlike other signs, who rely on luck or sudden opportunities, Capricorn slowly climbs the ladder of success, ensuring that their wealth is durable, long-term, and almost impossible to lose. According to Baba Vanga's prediction, Capricorn is one of the 5 luckiest financially between 2.5 and 2.3, but what sets them apart? Why Capricorn is destined for wealth? Capricorn is ruled by Saturn, the planet of discipline, perseverance, and long-term success. While other zodiac signs can get sudden luck with money, Capricorn's wealth comes from many years of hard work and smart decisions. Baba Vanga's prediction perfectly matches Capricorn's slow but sure rise, a path that guarantees great wealth and solid security in the Future between 2.5 and 2.3 Capricorn will experience big job promotions and leadership opportunities, business success, stock investments, and corporate ventures, strong growth of wealth due to long-term efforts that will finally bear fruit. If you are a Capricorn, this is the best time to increase your ambition because the next 5 years will change your life. Vanga's prediction and astrological influence. According to astrologers, during this time Saturn and Jupiter will favor Capricorn, which will bring unimaginable success in career and financial expansion. Jupiter will bring prosperity and opportunity. Saturn will ensure that every success is long-term and sustainable, meaning Capricorns will not only experience short-term wealth, but will be able to build wealth that can last for many decades. Famous rich Capricorns. Some of the most powerful and successful individuals in the world are Capricorns, including Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon, and billionaire businessman Elvis Presley, legendary musician and global icon Michael Obama, former First Lady and influential author Denzel Washington, award-winning actor and film producer. These personalities reflect Capricorn's dedication, leadership, and ability to build wealth. From how Capricorn can strengthen their financial future: stay focused on long-term goals. Best wealth for Capricorn is built over many years. Take leadership positions. Capricorn thrives when they are in charge of important decisions. Invest wisely. Real estate, stocks, and long-term business ventures are the best sectors for them. Be patient. The universe is aligned for Capricorn, but stability is more important than speed. If you are a Capricorn, according to Vanga's vision, the next 5 years will be a golden period of success for SAO, while other zodiac signs may only experience short-term luck. Capricorn's wealth is built to last. Capricorn is the true self-made millionaire of the zodiac. Let's find out the last lucky one on Vanga's list, and Aries, the fearless originator of wealth. If there is one zodiac sign that is bold, ambitious, and always ready to take a gamble for success, it is Aries. Known for their bold decisions, natural leadership, and relentless determination, Aries are often found in the world of the most successful businessmen and millionaires. According to Vanga's prediction, Aries is one of the 5 zodiac signs that are set to become very rich between 2000 at 2-3. Why is Aries so good at wealth? Aries is ruled by Mars, the planet of action, energy, and ambition. This planetary influence gives Aries endless motivation and courage to chase big dreams. Unlike other signs that wait for opportunities, Aries themselves create their luck through bold decisions and aggressive leadership. Between 2-5 and 2-3, Aries will experience rapid career advancement, promotions, and leadership positions, success in business startups, and bold investments, gaining wealth through personal branding, social influence, and innovation. If you are an Aries, get ready for your biggest financial breakthrough is coming. Vanga's prediction and astrological influence. According to astrologers, during this time Aries will benefit from strong planetary shifts, especially with the joining forces of Jupiter and Mars to bring massive financial expansion, once-in-a-lifetime business opportunities, and investment success in high-risk, high-reward industries such as technology, real estate, and stock markets. Meaning Aries will have the cosmic energy to take risks that will lead them to immense wealth. While others hesitate, Aries will go ahead and succeed. What awaits Aries? If you are an Aries, according to Vanga's vision, you will enter a period of unparalleled prosperity and success because of your courage, business acumen, and natural leadership. The next 5 years can make you one of the most successful individuals in your field. Conclusion: between 2.5 and 2.3, the 5 luckiest in wealth are Leo, the natural leader; Taurus, the financially grounded visionary; Scorpio, the master of hidden wealth; Capricorn, the quiet builder of wealth; Aries, the fearless initiator of wealth. If your zodiac sign is included in this list, are you ready to accept your wealth? Famous rich Aries. Many of the most successful and richest personalities in the world are Aries, proving that this zodiac sign has the natural ability to rise to the top. Some of the famous Aries are Robert Downey here, Hollywood's highest paid actor; Iron Man; Maria Cry, music icon and multimillionaire entrepreneur; Leonardo da Vinci, one of the greatest inventors and artists in history; Lady Gaga, global superstar and successful entrepreneur. Aries prove that they are not just succeeding, they themselves create revolutions. How can Aries strengthen their financial future? Take smart risks. Aries thrive in high-stakes environments, so don't be afraid of big investments. Learn leadership. The next 5 years will bring big job promotions and leadership opportunities. Aim for the top position. Use personal branding. Aries is an expert in self-promotion and influence. Use it to your advantage. Trust your intuition. Aries often have the right feeling when it comes to business and money. If you feel an opportunity is right, grab it. If you are an Aries, according to Vanga, you are entering the most rewarding phase of your financial life. Your courage, ambition, and ability to take smart risks will set you free from others, which will bring you great wealth and success within the next 5 years. Now, how can you use this prediction to your benefit now that we have discovered Vanga's prediction about the 5 zodiac signs destined to become rich? The big question is this: how can you use this prediction for your own success? Astrology gives us the map, but it is up to us how we use it. Even if your zodiac sign has an advantage in wealth, it will not happen if you do not have action strategy and the right mindset. Here is how you can take advantage of Vanga's prediction to boost your financial future. 1. Combination of hard work and luck equals maximum Success astrological influence can open up opportunities, but there is no guarantee of wealth without effort. All successful people Leo, Taurus, Scorpio, Capricorn, or Aries have combined talent, timing, and effort to get to the top. Use this prediction as motivation, not just as expected luck. To invest in yourself and your skills. The next 5 years are crucial for personal and professional growth. Leo, this is the focus on leadership training. Taurus should study investment strategies. Scorpio, dive into hidden opportunities like of crypto or law investments. Capricorn, start handling bigger projects and promotions. Aries, focus on strengthening your personal brand and taking smart risks. No matter what your zodiac sign, self-education and financial literacy are key to success. 3. Gamble wisely with money. The biggest riches come from bold but well thought out decisions. If you are thinking of building a business, investing in stocks, or launching a new project, now is the right time to research and make smart moves. According to Vanga, these zodiac signs will be favored financially, but the real beneficiaries are those who are willing to take action. 4. Connect with the right people. Networking and mentorship are essential to building wealth. Surround yourself with successful and enthusiastic individuals. Find financial advisors, business leaders, and mentors who can help you on your journey to success. Many self-made millionaires say a large part of their success they learn from the right people. 5. Watch out for important astrological shifts. Monitor planetary transits and financial astrology trends. If Jupiter, Saturn, or Mars are in favor, SAO, this is the cost green light to take bold steps. Financially, many successful people unknowingly make their biggest money moves during astrologically favorable times. Final thought, your future is in your hands. Vanga's prediction gives us a glimpse of possible wealth, but real wealth is built through hard work, strategy, and the right mindset. If you are among the 5 lucky ones in this zodiac, this is your sign too. Work hard proudly. The doors are open for SAO, but will you walk the path? Now join the conversation. Is your zodiac sign included in this list? Comment below. Do you believe in Vanga's prediction? Share your opinion. What is your biggest financial goal in the next 5 years? Let's talk. Don't miss your chance to be ahead of success. Subscribe to our Point Taken channel for more predictions, financial strategies, and life-changing insights. Hit the like button if you found this video useful. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates on your financial destiny. The next 5 years could be the most transformational time of your life. Are you ready to take your fortune in wealth?